Hi, in this video I'm going to demo the Travel Mapper Chrome extension that helps you add places and activities to your Google Sheets itinerary from anywhere on the web. Let's get started planning a trip. The first thing to note is that Travel Mapper works with your Google Sheets, so you'll need to be logged into your Google account. If you just installed the extension, you'll be prompted to create a new itinerary. Let's click the button to create a new Google Sheet itinerary in My Drive. An itinerary is a modified Google Sheet file specifically tailored for organizing your travel plans, keeping track of what you need to bring, and tracking costs with others. This will both create a new file and set up an empty itinerary so you can start filling it out. Great, the itinerary file was successfully created. In this drop-down menu, you can see the file was named Travel Mapper New Sheet 1 by default. You can change it to whatever you want in your sheet. Let's take a look at what the file looks like by clicking this icon. There are several tabs that are created. The main tab that Travel Mapper will be saving to is this itinerary tab. Here you can input the date of the activity, time, what the activity is, and where it's located. Also, the URL of the web page will be automatically inserted into this link column. Then you can also specify the cost, add any notes, and categorize the activity. I'm going to open up the extension pop-up again to select an itinerary to New York that I already started working on to show how some plans might look. And here's the itinerary. Let's add some stuff to it. Imagine that you're researching for things to do on TripAdvisor, and Central Park looks interesting. Go ahead and click on the link. To add it to the itinerary, just select any text on the web page, right-click on it, and then select Save to Itinerary. A modal will pop up that allows you to edit and input more information if desired. I'm going to edit the activity name, set the cost to be 0, and categorize the activity as parks and nature. Then I'll add a silly comment as a note, set a date, and click Save. Now if I check the Google Sheet, I can see that the activity with the web page URL were automatically added to the itinerary. Let's take another look at how you can do this on Reddit. I'm reading this thread and people mention things on their NYC bucket list. Scrolling down, I see someone wants to ride the Roosevelt Island tram. I think that's a good idea too, so I'll select some of that text, right-click, and select Save to Itinerary. In the pop-up, I'll update the activity name, set the cost, category, and time. Then I'll write another silly note, leave the date empty, and click Save. Again, if I check the Google Sheet, I'll see that it's added to the itinerary at the last row. The last website I'll demo is Airbnb. Let's say I found this Airbnb enticing. I'll open up the listing page and select the description text here. Right-click on it and select Save to Itinerary. Here I'll scroll down a bit to see the total cost of the place and type in that number in the cost input. Then I'll categorize it as lodging, write a short note, select a date, and click Save. And just like that, it's saved into the itinerary. Now, if you also have the Travel Mapper Google Sheets add-on, you can see a map of all the activities and places in your itinerary automatically plotted on the map. I'll just click Update Map, and you can see that the Airbnb and the Roosevelt Island tram were both plotted on the map. And that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed the walkthrough of the Travel Mapper Chrome extension. I'll leave the links to the Chrome extension and the Sheet add-on in the description below. Be sure to try out the extension. It's completely free. Thanks for watching.